Hello everyone, today we are going to see how we can create WhatsApp marketing automation for photography studio business. So here our objective is that whenever we get new Facebook lead for my photography studio business from Facebook lead ads, then we want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead, and we are going to use Vati here. For that we will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, we are going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, we are going to use Vati. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen. And here we have my Facebook page for my photography studio business. And the name of my page and my business is Lenscrafted Moments. And to promote my business, I'm also running an ad on my page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now I want to connect with these leads on WhatsApp, send an automated message on WhatsApp. So for this, I'm going to use Vati, which allows businesses to send or receive messages on WhatsApp. So here I will create a simple automation and integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati. For this, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I will click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is a workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now we are going to create a new workflow. For that, I will click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here, I have to name my workflow. So I will name it as my objective, which is to send automated WhatsApp message to your business lead. Now I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I will select Home and I will click on Create. And it will take us to this window. So this is the most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which my workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we will set up our trigger first. So my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I will search for that. Now I have to give a trigger event. So for that, I will open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I will select this and I will connect my Facebook lead ad with Pabbly Connect. So I will click on connect. I will click on add new connection. I will connect with Facebook lead ads. I will click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection is successful. And here we have these two details, page and lead gen form. So for this, let's go to Facebook. And this is my Facebook page and it is named as Lenscrafted Moments. And for the lead gen form, I will open this Meta Business Suite. Here I will go to all tools and I will find this instant forms. And here we have this one form which is named as Studio Lead Form. So I'll open this. And we have these details here, full name, email, phone number and city. So this is how my form looks like. I will close this and I will map all these details in Pabbly Connect. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. So my page is Lenscrafted Moments and my lead gen form is Studio Lead Form. And here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So I will click on Save and Send Test Request button. And it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, I will use Meta for Developer and I will create a sample submission in Meta for Developer. So I will open Metaphor Developer. Here I will go to my apps. I will go to tools. And here I will find this lead ads RTU debug tool. I'll open this. And we have page and form here. So our page is Lens Crafted Movements and form is Studio Lead form. Now I will click on preview form and I will fill dummy details in the form and I will create a sample submission. So I will click on preview form. So this is my form and I will give a full name which will be demo user. I will give an email. So this will be my email, demouser@pabblytudes.com, and I will give a random phone number and I will give a random city. So city will be Bhopal. I will click on next. I will click on submit. So my form is submitted and I have generated this lead. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have this response. So the full name is demo user, email is demouser@pabblytudes.com, and this is the random phone number and the city is Bhopal. So what we are going to do is we are going to use this number and we are going to connect with this lead on this WhatsApp number and we are going to send an automated WhatsApp message to this particular number. So for that I will set up my actions tab. I will open this. I will search for my action application which is Vati. I will click here. Now I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab and send template message will be my action event. So I will select this. I will click on connect to connect Vati. I will click on add new connection. And to connect Vati with Pabbly Connect, I have to give an API endpoint and access token. Now for this, I have to go back to Vati. I will go to this API docs. And here we have this access token and API endpoint. So I will first copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste that API endpoint here. I will go back to Vati. I will copy this access token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste that access token here and I will click on save. So my connection is successful. Now we have these details here. So first I will map the WhatsApp number and for this I will use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tab and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for that I will click here. I will open this response and this is the WhatsApp number where I want to send the message. So I will select this. Now I have to select my template. So for this, let's go to Vati. I will go to templates and we are going to use this template which is Studio Lead. I will open this. So the template name is Studio Lead and the category in marketing and the language is English US. And this is the body of my template. So it says hello and the name is the variable. So it is going to change according to my lead. And we received your lead and we will connect with you as soon as possible. We are very eager to be the part of your happy moments and to capture them and to make memories out of it. Thank you for contacting us, Team Lens Crafted Moments. So this is the message that I want to send to my lead. So I will map this in Pabbly Connect. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. So my template is Studio Lead. I will select this and I have to give a broadcast name. So let's go to Vati and here in the broadcast title we have none. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect. I will just type none here. And now we have this most important step which is custom params and I want to avoid mistakes here. So the custom params should always be in this format. So I will just copy this and I will paste it here. So custom params are always in name value pair. So we have this format here. Now we have one variable which is of name. So in the name section, I'm gonna clear this color and I will type name here. And in the value, I will map the name of my lead here. So I will clear this blue. I will open this response and this is the full name. So I will map this. So this will be my custom params. And to add other custom params, you just need to give a comma and you need to follow this format again. So these are my details. I have filled all my details here. Now I will click on save and send test request button. So here we have this response and here we have this contact ID. So this means that I have sent a message on WhatsApp to this particular user. Now to check this, let's go to WhatsApp. And here we can see we have received this new message which says, hello demo user. So this is the name of my lead. We received your lead and we will connect with you as soon as possible. We are very eager to be part of your happy moments and to capture them and to make memories out of it. Thank you for contacting us. Team Lens Crafted Moments. So this is the message that we had in our template, and we have just sent this message to this particular lead that we have generated. So our integration here between Facebook lead ads and Vati is working successfully. So whenever we are getting a new lead in Facebook lead ads, then we are sending an automated message to that particular lead. Now let's go to Pabbly Connect. Here we have created this workflow and integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati. So let's summarize what we did here. First, we have set up our trigger, and our trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and our trigger event was new lead instant. Then we have set up our action, and our action application was Vati, and our action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. Thank you.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.